How to enable pairing mode and connect your Apple Airpods Gen 1, Gen 2 with a Vivo phone running Android 14, okay? So the first thing you wanna do is make sure your AirPods get some battery life, and then also make sure they're not connected to another device so that when you open them up, they will not reconnect to that previously paired device. Now with the case lid open, make sure both of these are in the case. Then at the back of your AirPods, you'll notice this button right here. You're gonna hold down that button there and hold it until you see the white light blink at least 3 to 5 times. So go ahead and hold it like this, and hold it and hold it and hold it until you see this here. Once it starts doing that, let it go. Keep the case lid open, don't let it close. Then on your Vivo phone here, use the quick access, and you're gonna look for the Bluetooth toggle. So long press that. Then I want you to go to more Bluetooth devices or more Bluetooth settings. This gives you a better view of what's really going on. And then you'll see AirPods. When you see it, tap it, you will get the request. And if not, it'll just connect for you right away. Now, once it's connected, you'll see it's connected. You can tap on this arrow here. That's gonna let you be able to enable it for call audio and media audio, okay? And also choose the sounds here, also to unpair it. But once you get it like this here, you're connected, and you'll also see the little icon to the top there showing that it is connected, like and sub.